using technology to give kids a voice. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me is Sohale Sizar. He is the founder of OurStand Anti-Bully Initiative. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Jill, for your time.
Let's talk about the concept behind this. You want to use downloadable apps and use them for a variety of different purposes, but essentially the idea is to give kids an outlet, to give kids a voice when it comes to some of the negative things that happen in school and in their lives.
Exactly. Actually, the idea is at this time in Philadelphia, there isn't any infrastructure where kids can actually reach out to, a reliable source, a trustworthy source that they can say, listen, I have this problem, or I'm going through X, Y, Z, whatever the case may be. And the idea is to build these apps, and it's built with technology. It's a language that kids understand. So the idea is that kids can use these apps, they can report bullying incidences, harassment issues, whatever is going on in school. And these reports immediately go to teachers, and teachers are notified of them. And teachers can use these reports to understand dynamics in schools, what's going on, try to mitigate and ameliorate different issues that are going on. A big point, though, that should be mentioned is that these reports can be anonymous. And that's a huge, crucial point to this app and to this program, actually, because not only is this an app technology they can use, but it's available on the website. And the reason why that this anonymous aspect of it is so huge is that it gives voice to that silent majority that is afraid to speak out because of peer retaliation or whatsoever.
And that's an important point. And this idea for you came out of your own feelings of isolation as a kid, and you didn't want other children to be in that situation.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, when I was raised in a homogeneous neighborhood where a number of incidents happened to me where I was called different comments, racist comments or different things like that, and I spoke out. I said to my teachers, I went to them, I said, listen, this happened, that happened, let's fix this. And I wasn't taken really seriously. And so I wasn't heard, and I know how it feels to be just pushed away or to be marginalized. And I'm here to say that that doesn't have to be that way. There's an outlet.
And with these apps, you mentioned the self-report system, which can be anonymous.
Exactly.
Things like bullying can be reported. But you also want to create a network, if you will, of social media outlets. And you want to create a forum using technology for young people.
Yeah. The basic thing that's going on with what you're actually discussing about is building dialogue and fostering this discussion, not only within youth, not only within our city, but within communities. Because it's with that dialogue and it's with that discussion that we can try to tackle the issues that are going on, the realities that are facing our schools and in our classrooms.
You also want young people to talk about issues related to school safety and security. You're developing these apps right now. You're hoping to have a test run in June in order to be ready for the new school year.
Yeah, exactly. And part of the school safety, I mean, it's huge. We want our kids to have a great education, but we also want them to have a safe education. And that's a very big part of it. And so one part of the app is students can evaluate their school safety and the school security. And actually research has shown that student evaluations are really effective in understanding school dynamics and teacher evaluations and et cetera. So we're trying to capitalizing on this research and say, listen, let's get student feedback on how to better our schools and school safety.
And just a few seconds left, but you are developing these apps now. You're hoping to have that test run in June, so people can visit your website for more information about actually how to download this app.
Yeah, so OurStandPhilly.org is our website, and they can there's all types of information there that they can visit. And we look forward to bringing this to the city. This is going to be something big. It's about valuing the infinite worth of every individual and giving them a voice, and that's what we want to do.
Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
We've been talking with Sohale Sizar. I'm Jill Horner.